Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you own a UTV, you already know that rough trails, sharp rocks, and unexpected obstacles can damage a tire when you least expect it. That's why carrying a dependable tire repair kit is so important. In today's video, we're taking a look at the 5 best UTV tire repair kits available in 2026. We'll compare their features, durability, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect option for your off-road adventures. Let's get started. Number 5. Designed as a compact self-service emergency tool, the 61-piece tire repair rubber nail kit is engineered to rapidly fix tubeless tire punctures on cars, trucks, motorcycles, tractors, ATVs, and SUVs without requiring you to jack up the vehicle or remove the wheel from the rim. The comprehensive set includes 60 self-sealing spiral screw-in plugs across 2 practical sizes, 30 small plugs, 0.51 pi 0.2 for narrow nail punctures, and 30 large plugs, 0.59 pi 0.28 for wider gashes, alongside a sturdy screwdriver and an organized carrying case. In terms of quality and build, each rubber nail features a solid carbon steel core wrapped in sticky, high-temperature resistant vulcanized rubber, ensuring a tough structure that won't snap under pressure. Its unique spiral thread design bites directly into the tire tread, expanding under internal air pressure to form an airtight, water-resistant seal. The standout feature of this product is its incredible ease of use, compared to traditional bacon strip sticky string plug kits, which demand muscle-heavy reaming tools, messy rubber cement, and significant physical strength. These screw-in plugs allow even novice drivers to complete a roadside fix in under 60 seconds, simply by screwing the plug into the puncture hole. In real-world scenarios, such as picking up a stray screw during a busy highway commute or a remote trail ride, the rubber nails perform admirably by holding air pressure reliably enough to get you safely home or to a service station. While traditional string plugs or internal patch plug combos may provide a slightly more durable long-term solution for large, irregular tears, these screw-in rubber nails win decisively on speed, cleanliness, and sheer user convenience. Given that each plug is individually sealed in a protective capsule for maximum shelf life, the kit offers exceptional value for money compared to standard emergency repair options. Ultimately, this kit is an essential safety net for daily commuters, motorcycle riders, off-road enthusiasts, and solo travelers who want a stress-free fix for unexpected flats, and I highly recommend keeping one in every vehicle's glove box or saddlebag. Number 4. Designed as an all-in-one emergency roadside tool, the PITSTOP Tubeless Tire Gun Puncture Repair Kit is engineered to fix flat tires on cars, motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, and tractors without needing to dismount the wheel from the rim. Its key defining feature is the spring-loaded, pistol grip insertion gun, coupled with 30 rubber mushroom-style plugs, accompanied by a probe tool, nozzle, cutter, and a compact carrying case. Mechanically, the kit works like a rivet. The gun compresses the mushroom head and drives it through a narrow nozzle into the tire cavity. Once inside, the head springs open against the inner tire wall while the stem expands to fill the puncture channel, creating an airtight mechanical seal under internal air pressure. In terms of quality and build, the heavy-duty metal and rigid polymer gun feels solid in the hand, and the vulcanized rubber plugs offer excellent elasticity and durability. Evaluating its ease of use, the ergonomic trigger system eliminates the sheer muscle power required by traditional bacon strip string plug kits, though loading the plug into the narrow nozzle takes a bit of finesse. When compared to simpler screw-in rubber nail kits, which screw in with a standard screwdriver, the PITSTOP gun requires a slightly higher initial learning curve and takes up more space in a tool roll. However, in real-life highway or trail scenarios, the PITSTOP outperforms cheap screw-in nails or standard sticky strips because the mushroom head physically prevents the plug from blowing out under high speeds, heavy load conditions, or elevated tire pressures. While it carries a higher price point than basic sticky string sets or simple rubber screws, it delivers outstanding value for money as a reusable tool where you only buy inexpensive refill plug packs. Overall, this kit is an exceptional investment for long-distance motorcycle touring riders, road trippers, and solo drivers who prioritize maximum reliability over absolute minimalism, and I highly recommend it as a superior roadside safety net. Number 3. Designed as a comprehensive, self-contained emergency solution for fixing tread punctures across cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, RVs, and trailers, the Rhino USA 86-piece heavy-duty tire repair kit is engineered to restore tubeless tires quickly without requiring tire removal from the rim. Its key features center around ultra-sturdy, ergonomic solid steel T-handle tools, specifically a coarse spiral rasp probe for cleaning puncture channels and a fork-eye insertion needle, backed by 60 self-adhesive vulcanizing rubber plugs, rubber cement, full-sized needle nose pliers, extra chrome valve stems, replacement valve cores, and a 4-way valve tool, all neatly organized inside a rugged, impact-resistant blow-molded carrying case. In terms of build quality and overall performance, the all-steel handle construction provides immense mechanical leverage, effortlessly penetrating stiff, thick steel-belted radial truck tires where cheap plastic-handled competitors frequently bend, strip, or snap under pressure. During real-life roadside emergencies and remote off-road trail scenarios, the kit excels in ease of use, allowing drivers to locate, ream, plug, and trim tread punctures in under 10 minutes to form a durable, airtight seal capable of withstanding high pressures and severe terrain. Unique design touches include individually wrapped brown string plugs that prevent the rubber compound from drying out over time, as well as a complete assortment of valve stem repair hardware that addresses leaking core issues alongside standard tread holes. When compared directly to market rivals such as the Slime heavy-duty tire repair kit, which typically includes fewer plugs, around 30, and lighter-duty handles, the Rhino USA setup offers significantly higher long-term utility, superior heavy-duty tool construction, and a hassle-free lifetime warranty supported by a US-based family business. Retailing for roughly $30 to $35, it provides exceptional value for money by easily paying for itself after avoiding a single expensive tow truck service call or tire shop repair bill. Ultimately, anyone from daily commuters and long-distance road trippers to serious overlanders, farmers, and trail riders will benefit immensely from keeping this kit in their vehicle trunk or truck bed, making it an absolute mandatory recommendation for complete highway and off-road self-reliance. Number 2. Designed as a comprehensive emergency puncture repair solution for cars, trucks, SUVs, ATVs, UTVs, RVs, and trailers, the Boulder Tools heavy-duty tire plug kit is engineered to fix tubeless tire flat punctures quickly, without needing to dismantle the tire from the wheel rim. This 56-piece professional kit includes 30 heavy-duty brown vulcanizing tire repair strings, ergonomic solid steel T-handle tools, specifically a rugged spiral reamer probe for cleaning puncture paths and a split-eye insertion needle, alongside a tire pressure gauge, heavy-duty full-size pliers, a folding utility knife, replacement valve stems, 4-way valve core tools, and clear illustrated instructions, all neatly organized inside a heavy-duty blow-molded carrying case. In terms of build quality and overall performance, the solid steel T-handle tools offer immense mechanical leverage and structural strength, completely eliminating the dangerous bending, twisting, or snapping commonly associated with budget plastic-handled tools. During real-life roadside emergencies and remote off-road trail scenarios, the kit demonstrates outstanding ease of use, enabling drivers to extract nails or screws, ream the puncture channel, coat and insert a self-vulcanizing plug, and trim the excess string to create a permanent, airtight seal in under 10 minutes. A key unique design aspect of the Boulder Tools setup lies in its upgraded brown repair cords, which feature a thicker, stickier rubber compound that resists drying out and maintains structural integrity across high-stress radial tire flexing and extreme weather conditions. When compared directly to entry-level market competitors like basic slime or generic auto parts store kits, which typically feature flimsy plastic handles, fewer plug strips, and undersized wire cutters, Boulder Tools delivers vastly superior tool durability, enhanced ergonomic comfort, and a far more comprehensive accessory array capable of handling thick, multiply steel-belted truck tires. Priced around $30 to $35, it provides outstanding value for money by easily paying for itself after averting just a single expensive tow truck service call or tire shop repair fee. Ultimately, anyone from daily commuters and long-distance road trippers to overlanders, farmers, and fleet drivers will benefit immensely from keeping this reliable kit in their vehicle, making it an enthusiastically recommended, mandatory addition to any mobile emergency kit. Number 1. Designed specifically as an off-road emergency solution to fix high-risk tire sidewall gashes and punctures without removing the wheel from the vehicle, the GlueTread SXS Sidewall Tire Repair Kit addresses a critical vulnerability that traditional plug kits completely fail to solve. Its key features include a set of heavy-duty, high-tensile rubber patches, 2 4x3 and 2 3x1.5 specialized cyanoacrylate adhesive bottles, quick cure spray accelerator, sandpaper for surface preparation, and applicator tips, capable of repairing up to 4 to 6 tubeless flats off the highway. In terms of build quality and overall performance, the specialized rubber patches possess high elasticity and structural strength, allowing them to flex continuously alongside dynamic sidewall deformation without delaminating or leaking under load. During real-life trail emergencies, the kit demonstrates exceptional ease of use. Riders simply prep and sand the damaged outer sidewall area, apply the adhesive, press the rubber patch firmly, and spray the accelerator spray to form an immediate, high-strength bond that seals sliced rubber within minutes. What makes GlueTread's design unique is its exterior application method, which seals gashes from the outside of the tire rather than relying on interior dismounting or jamming string plugs into weak structural sidewalls, preserving tire integrity for slow-speed trail limping. When compared directly to traditional string plug kits like the Boulder Tools or Rhino USA sets, which are strictly dangerous or ineffective on sidewall slices because string plugs can pop out under sidewall flexing, GlueTread offers a distinct capability to recover otherwise ruined off-road tires. Priced around $40 to $50, it delivers phenomenal value for money by saving riders from carrying expensive full-size spare tires or facing multi-hundred-dollar off-road towing fees in remote locations. Ultimately, SXS, UTV, ATV, and rock-crawling enthusiasts who push their vehicles through sharp, rugged terrain will benefit immensely from this product, making it an essential, highly recommended safety addition to every off-road tool bag. That wraps up our list of the 5 best UTV tire repair kits in 2026. Every kit on our list offers something different, whether you're looking for a compact emergency solution or a complete repair package for long rides and demanding terrain. We hope this guide helps you make the right choice and gives you extra confidence on every adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.